Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Duppy play hide and seek. Full story. In the 90s, it was summer break and a little girl and some friends were playing hide and seek in the night. Back then, kids used to wear their uniform in the yard when school give break. There is a particular house on Collie Smith Drive. It had a big mango tree in the yard, so she decided to go over there to look for them. All of a sudden, when she started to search, she saw this figure look exactly like one of the children that is playing hide and seek. The figure has on the same exact clothes as the little boy, but the only difference is that she could see right through it. The little girl started to call out to it, "Little rat, I see you," only to hear Little Rat coming from the opposite direction and saying, "Girl, see me, ya." The little girl started to tell Little Rat what she saw, and everyone got so afraid and wanted to stop playing. The following December, when school give holiday again, the little girl and a friend of hers did a bus-up clappers and fire rocket. After they finished, they passed the yard and the little girl looked over there. On the step, there was someone in black and white smoking, and she couldn't see the face. Without uttering another word, she take up her foot dim and run go home.
Like and follow for more.